This one is a level 8. We're doing it in JavaScript. It's called Convert Boolean Values to Strings, Yes or No. As always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes. Try it out before watching the video. It's a great way to learn JavaScript just by banging your head against the wall. The other great way to learn is repeated practice. I can't emphasize that enough. So subscribe to the channel, and that way you're notified every time I do a new content. So with that, we're going to write a method or function that takes a Boolean value and returns yes for true, no for false. Okay, so we're given some Boolean, and so we're going to do a test here. So if Boolean, in other words, if it's true, we'll return yes. Okay, whoops, don't want that L in there. If it's not true, then when we do this line, we basically had a false there. Okay. So anytime you do a return in a function, it returns that value and stops. So if the Boolean is true, this line will run, but because you have a return there, this line will never run. The opposite is also the case. So if this was a false, this line right here would not run, which means we get to the no. So just kind of a quicker way to do an if-else in JavaScript, but let's test this out. Great job, y'all.